I remember all too clearly when I was a young teen and my mom yelling at me to put a coat on. And it annoyed me so much. I was like, why do you care if I wear a coat? And I wouldn't wear a coat because I didn't want to cover my cute outfit.
I'm not falling far from the tree. I said that really weird.
Okay, anyway, yes, her outfit looks very cute, and if you don't want to wear a coat, I don't care if you're freezing. I'm wearing the biggest, heaviest coat I own, and I'll link it for you guys. But anyway, you are wearing her brand new pink shoes out in the snow. Yes, we now have snow. What a change from the last vlog. And we're gonna be walking through a parking lot and you're gonna get sludge all over your...
I'm gonna watch them and make sure.
You're gonna walk, okay, all right, let's go. All right, Olivia, tell the people why you are home from school today.
Because I don't know how, but apparently I was close to a kid that had COVID, so I had to stay home Monday through Thursday. I get my testing tomorrow, and if it's negative, then I get to go back to school, which I think it will be.
First stop of the day with Olivia is coming to the house. We have all of our appliances that got delivered. I'm so excited. I wish I could like open this up and like see what everything looks like, but I can't. We did end up going with Samsung appliances. They look really good. You can't see anything in here yet, but if you're interested to see which items I went with, I'll link each item that I got below so you can kind of see. It's kind of fun because there's several of you guys that are like, I'm actually like doing a house too, and it's fun to like see what you get, or I'm gonna be building soon or remodeling soon, and it's fun to see what you get. So I'll link each of the items that I got below so you guys can see what it actually looks like and not just like here in the packages. But anyway, there's that. I found a website, I think it's AJ Madison. I'll have it down below as well. It's a website that carries all different kinds of brands of appliances, and so that was kind of nice to be able to see all the different options. So I'll have that in the description for you too. Mom! Well, gosh dang it, I wasn't going to be a big crybaby in this vlog, but I think I have to be because there's just no way around it. Telling my mom of a friend that has COVID and their whole family has COVID and they've been in and out of the hospital, and gosh, and it just makes me so sad for them because everyone is struggling so much. And then I'm sitting here looking out the window, watching our guys, looking at the snow, looking at my pitiful flowers. Let me tell you another sad story, okay? That has made me cry. It might not seem like a huge deal to you guys, but I needed an after picture of the house and I didn't want to do it in the snow. So Joel broke his back to get the yard ready so that I could take my after photo. I spent $500 on plants, you know, to decorate out here, like the fall plants. It was the perfect weather, and planted all these flowers. See that poor flower underneath the snow? Just for the picture. Like, it was just for the picture because it was important to me. I really wanted like a really good after picture. And Joel did everything in his power and made it happen. And the only thing we were waiting on was the soffit and fascia. This actually is turning out to be a better story. So they're here today and they're gonna finish up the soffit and fascia. I was really frustrated because they hadn't shown up, and so I called the owner, and I think it was maybe like a wife of the owner that answered or something. And I just told her, I said, I feel frustrated that the guys haven't shown up to finish the job. And I know they have the part in. And she just really like tenderly said, we're really struggling and we know that it's important to get to you, and we'll be there as soon as we can, which was today. And my heart just like broke, and I started crying on the phone. And I said to her, I was like, you know, I think everyone is struggling right now. And it was like really quiet on the phone, and she's just like, yeah, I think so too. And it was really nice that we could share that moment. Great. One day I decide to wear mascara, it's gonna like wash all off. Anyway, so I called my mom to like tell her about my friend and about the company, and it's really hot. You take my coat, I'm like sweating. Like I have uncles that have been in and out of the hospital, and my mom has cousins in and out of the hospital for all different reasons. COVID, staph, kidney stones. My mom has another surgery on Friday. I can't remember if I told you that her surgery didn't work. They couldn't get the kidney stone out. And so she has another surgery this week in a couple of days. And I just was telling her how much my heart was aching for everybody. For everybody, and it's just one thing after another. People after people just struggling. People in my DMs, like I have so many people that message me, and sometimes they're like, I really dislike the comments and the DMs, but lately it's just so full of compassion and just, you know, relaying their struggles with me, and it's just heavy. It's just hard. It just feels really hard, and I just thought, you know, I'm not gonna record any of that because I don't want to just like add to it, but it almost feels like, you know, we're just in this together, and all of you are struggling too, like I know you are. There's a big shadow over everyone right now, and it won't last forever. I know it won't last forever. And I'm like sitting here looking at Olivia's beautiful tears in her eyes, and Joel's got tears in his eyes. Like it's just everybody. Joel has dust in his eyes, guys. He's not crying.
I think what's important right now is to, whatever your struggle is, isn't somebody else's struggle. Whatever somebody else's struggle is, isn't your struggle.
Yeah.
And so find a way to relate to somebody. Doesn't mean your struggle's gonna go away, doesn't mean you're gonna take their struggle away, but geez, find a way to relate and be just somebody's compassion for a minute, you know?
Yeah. And everyone's capacity to take on is different. And I think we're all pretty strong, and then it just kind of boils over. I'm gonna forget about the after picture because I just might not get.
If we're lucky, this snow will blow over, and in a week, the lawn will look just kind of back to the way it was. It might perk up those flowers, so who knows? Right side?
Let's go map out the master closet, yeah?
You want to come downstairs and see what I did?
Is this your workstation? It's cute, Joel. Look at these little doors. When Olivia was a baby, she ran into Grandma Kerrigan's closet or bathroom, and she goes, look at this little room, because everything was tiny. And these doors are really tiny. How many inches did you cut off?
Oh geez, like 8.
For today, we've got to map out what we want to do in this master closet. I don't know. I don't know.
I think what we should do is do a shelf.
Can I tell you what I was thinking?
Okay.
And you tell me if this is what you're thinking. A shelf, obviously a shelf at the top.
Okay.
And then either in the middle or on the outside, and shelves like all the way down. Yeah, cubbies, and then a place to hang stuff.
Okay.
And I can't decide aesthetically how I want it to look.
Is the shelf, and then split it in half. Have one be a 2-high hanger, one be a single high hanger.
I hate 2 high hangers. I hate 2 high. Yeah, look at yours. It's not enough room.
Well, our ceilings are shallow in there.
I don't know. But what I definitely want under here is, it would be nice if we could have shelving on like each side of the window, and then I want something short, right, like a lower shelf right here, so that this is all open.
This is open?
Yeah, because that way if they have like a big lamp, or if like there's something like jewelry boxes or like pictures, or just like, I just feel like it would be really pretty to have like a lower shelf right here, this to be open, and then a bar underneath. And that way if they
hang on?
Yeah, and if they don't want to hang anything under there, that way they can take it out and put like a chest of drawers or something. I've seen it all over Pinterest, so it's really pretty.
You'll have to show me a picture.
Okay. Very, very exciting things to show you. These are very faint lines, but this is what we came up with. Here, let me show them this side first. So underneath the window, there will be like a topper right here. Will be like a
floating shelf.
Yeah, like a not like a floating shelf, but just like the top of the cubbies. And then there'll be one, is there only two? Yeah, there's two.
So that's top and then bottom, the first one, and then bottom of the next one.
Yep, so okay, there you go. You can see the two lines. So there's 2 deep and then 4 across cubbies underneath the window, which I think is gonna be cute. Everything is, okay, well, super, super faint. It's going in and out of focus. There is a row of cubbies that go up right here, all the way to the top, and then you can see there's going to be a board up here, so there'll be that top shelf, and then this right here is going to be a half shelf. You can see it goes down to here, so you can put hangers here. There'll be a shelf, and then you can put more hanger stuff here, and then this is the long side, so the shelf is here, and then you can hang, and it'll be like a long hanging space. I think that's really good, and then we'll do the exact same thing over on this side. It's perfect. That's cute. I would love that. I would die for that closet. You're gonna build me a new house for me, and you're gonna make me a closet.
It's actually kind of similar to yours, except that's on that side and that's on that side. It's pretty much kind of the same, almost.
What? In my closet?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is very similar to my closet.
This layout,
Yes, actually. Oh,
See,
yes.
That's on that side, because your driller box is right there.
That is
and that
exactly right. Except mine is like that
So,
deep.
I mean, in theory, what is like this section right here will be the husband's, and then that will be the wife's.
Yes.
Probably.
Yes.
Like, who am I kidding? His stuff's gonna be in the garage.
Lincoln, why is this your favorite day?
Because it's snowing!
Boston is steadily working on a contest, an art contest. Oh, that looks fan-freaking-tastic. You keep working on it. I was gonna come out and show that, wait, are the kids not even playing in the snow? If I went through all of that work to get all of their snow gear out and they're not even out here playing, I don't even know where they are. All right, well, apparently it's time for me to go round up my children. I'm going to figure out dinner. I think what I want to do is I'm going to do some broccoli with Parmesan cheese on top, and then Joel requested that I make some Parmesan bread. It is in the Griffiths cookbook. Parmesan bread, garlic bread, it's garlic bread. It is in the cookbook. I'll leave that in the description for you guys, our Griffiths cookbook. And yeah, I'm gonna close the vlog here. Love you guys, bye.